Hello, welcome to my big fat tummy with me Joyshri. Salted mushrooms swimming in a silky garlic butter sauce. These are mushroom perfection. They are great on chicken, steak or as a side dish. There are certain recipes that I will finish photographing and end up sitting on the floor eating it right off the set. These mushrooms are one of those recipes. I couldn't stop plucking them out of the pan with my fingers and popping them into my mouth. So why wait? Let's get into the recipes and see how we are gonna make this. Today I have taken oyster mushroom. For this, let's boil the mushroom first. So, taking 2 cups of water into a pan. There are some foodies who don't love the smell of a mushroom. Mushroom gives off a rather pungent, ammonia-like odor when they are past their best. So, it's a suggestion to boil mushroom before cooking. Just boil for hardly 1 to 2 minutes. Then strain the water and rest your mushroom. Now in a sauté pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Take refined oil over medium-high heat. Add some chopped garlic and some green chilies. I have taken 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and 3 green chilies. Add diced onion. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion which I have finely diced. After sauteing for 2 minutes, adding some sliced capsicum. You can use bell pepper as well. I have taken a small sized capsicum. Now season with some salt. Add this as per your taste. Toss this for few seconds, then season with some pepper. I have taken 1 teaspoon. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. After a good mix, adding the oyster mushroom. Toss to coat all mushrooms with the oil and other veggies. Adding some boiled corns. This is totally optional. Reduce heat to medium to low and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently until mushrooms are fully cooked. It's almost done. Remove from heat and serve immediately. This recipe for sauteed mushrooms isn't a fancy or elaborate one in the process or the difficulty, but this is one that really shines in its simplicity. These mushrooms are perfect on the top of a perfectly seared steak or served alongside with an boiled egg. So, hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you ever try this one, please let me know about your experience in the comment section below. If you love this recipe, then show a thumbs up. And yes, if you want such videos more, then please subscribe to my channel and yes, press the bell icon beside this. Till then, take care.